Hey guys, so this is a video about the similarities between The Sound, which is the video that me and Leah made at Zoe's birthday party, and JayZ's new music video. They're quite similar, as you will see in a few seconds. Here you can see the use of Helvetica is very similar. The use of hammers is also quite a prominent image. And you can't really see, but that's a butterfly in our video. So winged creatures in this. People standing, just standing. People screaming. And finally, people jumping doing martial arts. So there you have it. Seems like JayZ was quite inspired by The Sound. He does have a little bit more money than us, so his video is a little bit higher quality, but you know, basically the same concept. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.